What up, y'all? So back here working on the CC and have to fix the curb rash. Whoops. Yeah, I hit a curb, so we'll pull this off, sand it down, fix that. Okay, wheels off, cleaned it up. What we're gonna do is we're gonna DA this down with some 80 grit and smooth it out. See how bad it is. So yeah, we'll DA this down, smooth it out with some 80 grit. There's a couple runs, like here when I first painted it, a few runs here when I first painted it that I'm gonna sand out with some 320 and yeah, scuff it back up and shoot it. Let's get to it. Alright, so let me guys show you. Got it smooth with the 180 grit. Now I'm gonna put some see these really deep divots in there. It's hard to see. Focus. Okay, I don't want to focus. Anyway, I'm gonna get some glaze and mix up some putty and fill those in. And then I'm definitely gonna prime this. So let's get that. Oh, whoop. Mix up some putty here. Might have to put, because these some really deep gouges, so I might have to put another coat once I sand this off, just to make sure it's all filled. Alright, show you guys. Alright, got the glaze on there. I'm gonna let that dry and then start, while that's drying, I'm gonna start sanding out some of these runs that's in here. Okay, got some of the major runs out. This was the worst wheel. I think it was the first one I cleared and I put it on way too thick. The other wheels don't have any runs in it. So I'm kind of glad I curved this wheel so I can go ahead and fix those. But it has some really bad runs here. Still a little bit there, some there. Some there. For the most part though. Yeah, I think I got them all. A little bit there. Alright. This should be about dry now. I'm gonna take some 320, sand that down, and then maybe prime it or maybe put another coat. We'll see. Alright, so I end up wiping it again, put some more glaze on it, and then scuffing it up. But this is what we want. You can see where all the deep gouges were, but you can't feel them. It's nice and smooth now around this lip. Yeah, you can't feel any of that. Nice and smooth, that's what you want. So, I'm gonna mask this off and prime this. So let's get to that. Okay, so since this is the only spot that needs primer, I just masked off the rest of the wheel that I don't want to get overspray on. So I'm gonna mix up some primer and prime this area. Alright, so wheels all primed, sanded down with some 400 and finished taping up the rest to paint, and we'll be good to go. Alright, this is finished product. Nice and smooth. Can't even tell it was curved. So, let's clean this up and mask it back up and get ready to spray. Alright, so let me show you the rim. And can't even tell it was fucked up. Even got the runs out.